So we are going to talk about today's session. So it's related to ServiceNow overview, introduction, and how to get the PDI personal development instance, now learning exam, and other stuff like related to ServiceNow. So this is the this session is talk about the like on those things. In last session, we talked about the ITIL, ITSM, Agile, and waterfall model, which is basic stuff. Those people belongs to different background. They are from different background. Uh, so we talked about those terminology and how they are utilizing what those are incorporated with the service now. So now we are moving into the purely we are moving into the concept of service now. How service now, what service now, where I can utilize what type of things need to be done, correct? So we are moving into the next direction of service now. Okay, so next slide, the overview. So ServiceNow overview, just I'm providing the history, correct? So history you can see the who is the who is the founded the ServiceNow. Before that he was working in BMC Remedy, and then after he joined the other organizations, correct? So he was in 2003-4 he started thinking of it he is going to get the some of the alternate option for BMC Remedy. At that time, BMC Remedy is one of the giant application in terms of ITSM. ITSM is kind of incident problem change. Whenever we use the ITSM, it's already well known or well understood about the we are talking about the incident problem change request. Those things are already incorporated with those that terminology. So he was thinking to build some other application which will be more flexible, more easily people can get it, because some challenges was there. He found it with the BMC Remedy, and then after he getting into the he went over there one BMC Remedy to you can see the second image. So here you can see the Lodi has previously served as the Chief Technical Officer of Creation Systems Enterprise Software Company San Diego until 2002, correct? And then after he founded the ClientSoft, correct, in 2003, and I think 2006 or 7 he launched the the application. So that application have the first version is starting from the A. I didn't record it right now. So after that, he getting into the B, and then C, then after D, then E. So if you see that the versions which I'm telling you about the ServiceNow, correct? So it's related to the one of the well-known and well-established the city, I would say, or any country have that well-known city or that having the state name whatsoever, they've taken out that name for everyone. So if you take it out I'll check it out, I'll show you later on, because they are integrated with the different versions, and every version means there is some changes into the application, correct? So they are more getting into the slowly in 2012 or 13 they have biggest change, or you can say that they got the name into the corporate world, that there is one application named ServiceNow as a ITSM tool, like a ticketing tool, which is the alternate option of BMC Remedy. And then from that 2012 or 13, they like came into the picture into the like market area, because many more applications are running, smalls and big. Even we don't know, but many applications are running. Correct. So those applications do not have that like the awareness, or like the corporate world, like they have the some restrictions or some more like the not valuable for like any organization. But right now, ServiceNow became the biggest giant. They created like they started from the ticketing tool to like right now they became the platform. They SaaS, IaaS, PaaS. So SaaS is software as a service, IaaS infrastructure as a service, PaaS platform as a service. So they became the giant of every area. Now they are moving into the business management side also. They introduce many applications in to managing the business side also, as well as the customer side, as well as financial, lots of things. It's not like they have any limitation. We will talk about those application or in terms of service. Now it's a product, so their products we will talk about it on the upcoming slide. So yeah, that is the the service now glide. Initially they named as a glide soft, and they became they later on they changed the service now. Now it's named as a service now. So that's how the the overall history about the service. Next, services of service now. Services in terms of the modules or application, or usually people talk in terms of whenever you talk to which module you are working, so they will say ITSM module, correct? But actually this is the it's a overall structure that we are taking the name, or sometimes it will be named as a application, correct? So actually this the term ServiceNow ITBM, instead of that it should be ServiceNow ITBM applications, correct? So it's a collection of applications, and application contains the modules, correct? So we will see in a practical demo once we will reach over there. So I'll show you how it will be segregated, correct? So just I'm giving the thought the actual terminology which we ServiceNow used, correct? And now in general, whenever people talk about in interviews also, the people ask, hey, what is ServiceNow ITBM modules are, correct? So actually they have to ask ServiceNow ITBM applications. It's a collection of applications, correct? So ITBM is a information technology business management. So business related applications are like that they are belongs to ITBM side. So lots of application. Just I'm giving the brief idea, so you will have clear picture what we are talking about, what we are what we will going to do. So DevOps, it's a development operations, so related to project management included, some project related things. Agile is also one of the DevOps applications. So these are much more applications are there. So SecOps, it's a security related operations. So whatever the security related applications that developed by the service now, they are belongs to SecOps. ITOM in information technology operation management. So whatever the operation related, those are belongs to ITOM. It's a item is belong named as a IT asset management. So whatever the asset software, hardware, asset management would be there. So they are belong to in this in this category on the ITM category. IRM integrated risk management. So it's a combination of business applications as also GRC, government's risk compliance. So those are the so whatever the possibility risks on the business side as well as how to manage it. So it will belong to these applications like under this category. ITSM, I already talked about it. Is ITSM, so information technology service management. So which talked about the incident, problem change, knowledge management, on call, and the many more are into the ITSM side. Okay, so these are the it's a change also belongs to service now, but they have categorized just to for the information how what the crucial role change management play into the in terms of development, in terms of managing the services. So those are the belongs to on those guys. So you can read it out these are the basic things. Correct. So ServiceNow RTPM, you can see no details, clear view the view of project investment and finances, the data analytics and operational efficiency, align your IT operation and organization. Correct. So these are the you can see the project management is also one of the module which I have mentioned earlier. Correct. So this is the one of DevOps. So you can see if it allows to implement agile practices. So agile, we already talked about it if you remember. If you guys remember on last session, we talked about it. So these are belongs to DevOps and Agile. I think 2.0 is running out, running into the ServiceNow application, which belongs to this category. Correct. So we will take a look, how those applications, but it's later on. It's a kind of just I'm giving the overview what the concept, and whenever people in interview they will ask, hey, do you know about the ITSM tools so or applications? So you have to say yes, I know that. So what are modules you have worked on, or whatever applications you worked on? So you have to mention I worked on the incident, problem, change, request. So you have to no whenever people someone asks no, have you worked on a IRM model? So you would say yes if you worked it on them. So you have to mention that what modules you have worked on. I worked on this particular modules into the IRM category, and SecOps I worked on VR, SIR, and other applications, whatever the configuration management and all the things are belongs to those things. Correct. Why I'm just giving it because of interview point of view. Sometimes they are some people have much more experience. Correct. So whenever you are going for interview, they will talk on the terminology basis. Correct. So those terminology you should aware about it. That's why I'm just giving the brief idea. It's much more the mod the applications are there, our modules are there. So you can take a look on the on the links. These are the brief details. You can take a look. If you have any questions, so let me know. Any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'll get on that. So product documentation. So you can take a look on this link, correct? So you will get the product documentations. So what are the products, correct? So as we talk about the earlier ITOM and ITSM and ITAM, DevOps and those group of applications related terminology. So now we are going into the in details. In detail, in terms of, I'll just show you the what the large concept of modules they contain. Correct. So I'll just show you. Product means there each category it design. So I'll show on the next slide. Okay, you can see whatever we saw. It's a some terminology and the users. Now you can see the bigger picture. It's IT service management, IT operations, ITOM, correct? ITSM. Those are the short form. ITSM, whenever we are saying that ITSM, so it's may like it's named as like IT service management, IT operations management. It will, in short, it will call as HRSD. So HR related, whatever the stuffs are there, so it will falls under this category. Correct? WSD, workplace service delivery. Correct? So you can see in short, the one liner is given over there. And these details are you can find over there on this on this. So customer service management, field service management, app engines, correct? Simple developer builders, all skills level create low code workflow apps. Automation engines, correct? So anything that unified approach, hyper automation, correct? Strategic portfolio management, IDSM item, so which we field service management, correct? So customer service management, enterprise asset management, service world, correct? So these are the some of the latest models, some of them already they exist, correct? So we talk under the IRM we talked about it, correct? So governance risk and compliance, security operations, security platform encryption, telecommunication service operation management, operational technology management. So these are all the modules are existed. If you click on here, not on this here, when you go around this link, so you will click on it and you can see the details. Correct? You'll get the idea. Legal service, financial management, supplier life cycle operations, lots of things. You can see still it's going on. Everything that you can I think they capture the all areas of uh, the organizations are running, correct? So those are into the into the picture they have taken, correct? Any questions from this in product?
All good.
Okay. What type of solutions provide? On the using of those products, what type of solutions they cover? So customer experience, technology excellence, employee experience, operational excellence, automation, and low code. Low code, no code. Now you hearing a lot. So low code, no code means without writing any code, you can do the same type of work. For example, I have to earlier the people have to write down the code where some changes if I need to do on the my website color changes or image changes. So we have to write the all of the code. We have to map with the that image with the one database. From that database, we have to map into the applications. Correct. But in low code, no code, just you have to drag and drop into the application and immediately it will be fixed. Just you have to click on the save. We will take a look once we will jump over in ServiceNow. So we will take a look. Correct. So this is this type of solutions that provided by the ServiceNow. And these are the latest details. It's not just it was way back. Yesterday I just created the new version, new details, so that it will be not the it should not be kind of false details, correct? Or it's a way back I just copied and those details should be there. So this is one of the latest details. So which type of industries are utilizing? So education, energy, financials, government, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, retail, service providers, telecommunication, and media and technology. So these are those industries utilizing the service application. So almost they cover the most of the industries, and they are increasing rapidly. So every 6 months, in a year, they have the twice. They have the the versions, like they upgrade the twice. They release the multiple times in a year. So it was great. Now, developer documentation. Once you will be getting into the developer, uh, when you are getting to some coding stuff, some the workflow and other stuff. So when you're after completing during their training session. So once you will be reached on that area, so you have to utilize these documents, and these are very uh, clear picture, and they are very documented, which provide the with example where you do write this objects, where you have to utilize those objects. Those examples are there, and you can utilize it. Those details will be there, multiple options, multiple the examples are there. Piece of code would be there. You can utilize it. Correct. So those things are falls under this, as well as in this you will find the create your own instance whenever you have to log in on the service now. So how you will log in, what need to be done, once your instance is generated, so you always you have to log in into this instance on this year. So whenever you have to use the retrieve your instance, or back up your instance, because every 24 hours they if you haven't utilized it, then your instance will be getting uh, hibernate. Correct. So you have to wake up, or you have to go over there. There is an option. I'll show you all the steps, and you will find those details. Correct. So going to the next slide. So you can see these are the landing page of developers. You can see developers servicenow.com dev.tool, and once you log in over there, you will find those details. So there is a sign in option, and you can see on top learn, references, guides, connect. Correct. So these are contains lots of information. Learn will be related to your learning point of view, whatever the uh, informations are hello.
Yes, yes, you got it.
Hello, please go on. Someone. Sarvesh. Sarvesh. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. I don't know. I think he forgot to close it. So yeah, so we are we have to jump over on this link. We will find out the details. Correct. So you can see the other things news and events. So which contain knowledge. So in a year once it will be happen, and it happened on almost in May and June, or before that April or May. In between that, it's conducted. It's which I saw that it's always conducted into US. So where the the clients, larger audience, larger people are there. So if you are you are the partner of service now, correct? So you can go over there. You can create a stall. You can uh, connect with the customers. So where the connections are provided from the service now on this knowledge, and you can for the training point of view, you can take the training from the experts who develop the application, or who's developing the application. So those are the things are there, and they will talk about what their future, what their capabilities, they are going to think about it. They will announce some additional things over there in this uh, in this uh, knowledge event. So they have the such kind of thing. Meet the 2023. So there is a meetup they have created where it's conducted in around the globe. So in India also they have multiple expertise, those are belongs to developers. So They create like no meetup, so where the small group of people can connect within each other. So they have the such kind of event. Okay. So after that, like no hackathon, createCon. So those are the events you can participate over there, and that's how like the service now like this developer page is define the information. Correct. Next slide. So yeah, this is the landing page. Like no, once you will click on here on sign in, correct? So it will like no redirect to this page. If you have a already login page, then you can type your email, like whatever the email ID, and click on next, and then you'll get the another options like type your password, and then after jump over the next. Okay, like no whatever the if there is a no multi-factor authentication would be there, so then it will be asked for like no we are sending out the email on your this like no, such kind of like no the email ID, and just type like no, you have to provide the those like whatever the code they sent on over there. So you have to uh, type it and just sign it over. Okay. If you don't have, so you have to like get your ServiceNow ID. Correct. Click on here. Correct. So then after you will get on this page. After clicking on get ServiceNow, if you don't have like no ServiceNow ID, like no you didn't created the your profile. So you have to click on here, and then it will be jump over on this page. You have to provide those information, sign up. Correct. It's easy. It's nothing like no you have to uh, uh, spend lots of time, and then after it will provide those. Correct. Some authentication emails would be there. So just you have to couple of minutes and it will be complete. Just you have to again like no which earlier I mentioned. So if you created the like no sign up process, then you have to again you have to redirect like you have to jump over on this page. So again you have to whatever your details you have to fill up, and then after so then after you will be find this page. Correct. So because I have already created, that's why it's showing the start building, or some other options will be shown over there. Correct. So which we like talk about the ServiceNow instance, ServiceNow like those details. So you can find the option here, request an instance, or might be your first time. So sometimes it's showing here. You can try it right now. If anyone can try it, so they can share their like screen. So it will be like people can understand. If anyone want to do it, so let me know. Or if you are like uncomfortable, so I can do it. Anyone wants?
Please drop the link. Yes, yes, please drop the link.
Okay.
Link I will try.
Yeah. Let me do. Okay. I'll share the link. I just share on the chat.
Yes, got it. Yeah, can I share my screen?
Yeah, just wait. Okay. Yeah, just share. Are you able to do?
Uh, no, no, I'm not able to.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So firstly, I need to click on sign in. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Just
Here
go
I'll
on
enter.
one side. You don't have any ID, I think. Do
Okay.
you?
So I'll no, I don't have.
Yeah.
So I
Get
need
any
to
service now
create
ID.
one.
Yeah. This
Okay.
you have to create.
Okay.
Just fill out the details. I will type the password. Yeah. Buses. Yeah. Verify.
Got all the business.
Yeah. Terminal terms. Yeah. Sign up. Okay. So you can check it out in your email
Okay.
on your mobile. You can check it out because it will be visible here. So you can check on your mobile.
Okay. Okay. Great. I did not receive the mail.
Okay. Can you check on your spam or somewhere else?
Right. No mail in the spam also.
Okay. Just wait for some time.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Till the time, if anyone can try it at their end, so if they will receive, then we can like do the following. Refresh your the page.
Yes. Yeah, I'm refreshing.
Okay. And folder email check. Okay, so there is a need assistance page. If you will not get, so click on the need assistant page. There is a link.
I got the mail.
Okay,
Got
okay.
the mail.
Yeah. Again, you have to jump over the same link.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your email has been verified.
Okay. Okay.
Means
So
uh,
what the steps was you found? Just there is a link provided to verify your email, and you click on those link. Correct? That link.
yes. Yes.
Okay.
I got here. I got
Yeah.
verified.
Correct. Correct. Fantastic. Just jump over on the same link, relogin. Developer dot do. Like no? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Remember. Next. Password. That's cool. You received one a code over there.
Yes.
Yeah. Just type down that. Skip right now. You can set up the multiple authentication later on if you want.
Agree.
Agree. Here we go. Come on. Okay, agree. So you can see these are the keep on this page. I'll share the more details on the because it's this
Okay.
meeting is going to be end and I'm regenerating the meeting.